Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American pharmacy. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the pharmacy staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Do you need a prescription to buy cold medicine in the US? Yes or no? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Mina, are you okay? You look really tired.
I feel terrible. I think I have a cold.
How long have you been like this?
Since yesterday morning, my head hurts and my nose keeps running.
You should get some cold medicine. The pharmacy is right here.
But, Sam, I do not have a prescription.
A prescription? You mean a paper from the doctor?
Yes, in Japan, sometimes you need one for cold medicine.
Don't worry, you don't need one here for a cold.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, most cold medicine in America is on the open shelf. Anyone can buy it.
That sounds easy, but I heard a different story.
What did you hear?
People say American medicine is very strong. Maybe it is too strong for me.
I see. Many people feel that way.
My friend told me Japanese people should be careful.
Here is the key thing. If you follow the dosage on the box, it is safe.
Dosage? What does that mean?
It means how much you take. The box tells you. Just don't take more.
Okay, so the box is the rule.
Right. And if you are not sure, we can ask the pharmacist.
The pharmacist? They will talk to me?
Of course. They help people every day. It is free to ask.
That is good to know. Thank you, Sam.
No problem. Let's go inside. I will show you the cold medicine shelf first.
Okay. By the way, this store is huge.
Yeah, CVS sells medicine, food, and many other things. It's like a small supermarket.
I see snacks, drinks, and even greeting cards over there.
That is normal here. Walgreens and Rite Aid are similar.
So I can buy water and snacks too?
Yes, many people stop here on the way home.
Convenient. Okay, let's find the cold medicine first.
Right this way. Follow me.
Wait, do I need to bring my insurance card?
Not for cold medicine. You only pay with cash or card.
Oh, that is simple.
For prescription medicine, you need insurance, but not for the open shelf.
Got it.
Here we are. This is the cold and flu shelf.
Wow, so many boxes, so many colors.
This whole area is called the OTC section.
OTC. What does that mean?
OTC means over the counter.
Over the counter, like over the table?
Kind of. It means you do not need a paper from the doctor. You just take a box and pay.
So I can just take this and walk to the cashier?
Yes, cold medicine, cough syrup, medicine for pain, all of these are OTC.
That is so easy.
Look at this one. This is Tylenol. It is for fever and pain.
Tylenol. I have heard that name before.
It is one of the most famous brands in America.
What about this one? It is orange.
That is Dayquil. You take it during the day.
And the blue one next to it?
That is NyQuil. You take it at night.
Day and night versions? Why?
NyQuil makes you sleepy, so it helps you sleep when you have a cold.
And Dayquil does not make you sleepy?
Right. You can still go to school or work after taking it.
That is so smart. We do not have day and night versions in Japan.
Really? I did not know that.
What about that one? Robitussin?
That is for cough only. It is a syrup. You drink a small spoon of it.
Okay, so many choices. I am a little confused.
Don't worry. Let me show you one more thing first.
Wait, one quick question.
Sure, what is up?
Why is it called over-the-counter if it is on the open shelf?
Good question. A long time ago, even cold medicine was behind the counter.
Behind the counter? Like a clerk would hand it to you?
Right. The clerk gave it to you over the counter, so that became the name.
Oh, that makes sense. The name stayed even after the rule changed.
Exactly. Now you can pick it up yourself.
Wait, Sam, look at this. 2 boxes look almost the same.
Good eye. Let me check.
Why is the price so different? This blue one is $10. This white one is only $5.
Ah, I see. The blue one is the brand. The white one is the generic.
Generic? What is that?
A generic medicine has the same active ingredient. That means the part that works is the same.
Same active ingredient, so it works the same way.
Yes, same strength too.
Then why is the brand so much more money?
Big brand companies pay a lot for ads on TV. They also pay for the nice box.
I see. So we pay for the name and the box.
Right. Generic companies do not do all that, so the price drops by half.
But is it really safe? I am a little worried.
It is safe. The FDA checks every medicine in America.
FDA? What is that?
It is a big government office. They test food and medicine. They make sure it is safe.
So FDA approval means it is safe?
Yes, same rules for both brand and generic.
That is good. Half the price sounds nice.
Most Americans buy the generic now. It saves money.
Half the price every time. That saves a lot of money.
Yeah, if you buy medicine many times a year, the savings are big.
I see CVS Health on the white box. Is that the store brand?
Yes, CVS makes its own generic. Walgreens and Target do the same.
So every store has its own version?
Pretty much. The active ingredient is still the same.
I want to try it, but this is my first time buying medicine here.
Yeah, that is true. For your first time, let's ask the pharmacist.
The pharmacist? Is it really okay to ask?
Yes, they are happy to help. The counter is right over there.
Okay, let's go.
Bring both boxes if you want. You can ask about both.
Good idea. I'll hold the brand, you hold the generic.
Sounds good.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a cold and I am not sure which medicine to buy.
I can help with that. What are your symptoms?
I have a cough and a runny nose. My head hurts a little too.
Any fever?
I do not think so. I feel warm sometimes, but not very hot.
Okay. How many days have you had these symptoms?
2 days. It started yesterday morning.
I see. Are you taking any other medicine right now?
No, nothing else.
Any allergies to medicine?
No allergies.
Good. For your symptoms, I would suggest Dayquil during the day.
Dayquil? Is that a good choice?
Yes, it helps with cough, runny nose, and head pain, and it does not make you sleepy.
Oh, that is good for school.
At night, take NyQuil. It will help you sleep.
Okay, both are safe for adults?
Yes, both are safe for healthy adults.
Can I ask one more thing?
Of course.
I heard American medicine is strong. Is it really okay for me?
That is a good question. Let me explain.
Please.
The most important thing is the dosage. Dosage means how much you take.
How much I take. Okay.
Just follow the directions on the box. Never take 2 times the amount.
Really? I should not?
No, even if you feel very sick, do not take more than the box says.
I understand.
1 pill every 6 hours, not more. Wait 6 hours before the next one.
Every 6 hours, 1 pill. Got it.
If you follow the dosage, it is safe. That is the rule.
Thank you so much. I feel better now.
You are welcome. Feel better soon.
One more thing. Can I take it with food?
Yes, you can take it with or without food.
What about water? Do I need a lot?
A full glass of water is good. It helps the medicine work in your body.
Got it. Coffee or tea is okay too?
Water is better, and try to rest a lot.
I will. Thank you again.
If your symptoms get worse after 3 days, please see a doctor.
3 days. I will remember that.
Now you know what to buy. How do you feel?
Better. The pharmacist was so kind.
He was. Oh, before we go, get some tissues too.
Tissues? I have some at home.
Get the soft ones, the ones with lotion.
Lotion and tissues?
Yeah, they are softer on your nose. Your nose hurts after blowing it many times.
That is true. My nose hurts already.
This blue box is the lotion kind. Try it.
Okay, what is this green bag?
Halls, cough drops.
Cough drops? Like candy?
Yes, but with medicine inside. Put one in your mouth like a candy when your throat hurts.
Halls is famous?
Yes, almost every American knows Halls.
In Japan, we have cough drops too, but the brands are different.
What do Japanese people drink for a cold?
Hot ginger tea, or hot water with honey and lemon.
That sounds nice. Here, people eat chicken soup.
Chicken soup for a cold? Really?
Yes, it is a very old American tradition. My mom always made it for me.
Just normal chicken soup?
Yes, with chicken, vegetables, and noodles. The hot soup helps a lot.
Chicken soup, tissues, and Dayquil. That is a long list.
Welcome to American cold care.
There's even a famous book called Chicken Soup for the Soul, right?
Yes, the name comes from the same idea. Chicken soup makes you feel better.
food that is good for the body and the heart.
That is a nice way to say it.
I will try chicken soup tonight.
Good. Let's also grab some water before we pay.
Water? Why?
When you have a cold, you should drink a lot of water.
That is the same in Japan. Drink water, rest, and sleep.
Same idea everywhere.
Okay, water and then the cashier.
Let's go.
Hi, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Let me check out your items.
Sure.
Dayquil, NyQuil, tissues, cough drops, and a bottle of water.
That is right.
Your total is $28.45.
Okay, here is my card.
Tap or insert?
Tap, please.
Go ahead.
Okay, done.
Okay, that is done. Here is your receipt. Do you want a bag?
Yes, please. A small one is fine.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome, and please follow the directions on the box.
We will. The pharmacist told us the same thing.
Good. That is the most important part.
She heard it twice now, so we are all set.
Take care and tell your friend to feel better soon.
I will. Thank you so much.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Thank you for helping me with everything today.
Anytime. How are you feeling?
A little tired, but also happy.
That was easier than you thought, right?
Yes, much easier. I was so worried before.
Now you know what to do next time.
Just remember the dosage. Follow the box.
Right. 1 pill every 6 hours, not more.
1 pill every 6 hours. I will not forget.
And drink water and rest a lot.
Yes, Dr. Sam.
I am not a doctor.
But you helped me a lot today. The pharmacist, too.
That is what they're there for. Free advice.
I will tell my friends back home. They will be surprised.
Tell them about the open shelf and the dosage rule.
I will. Okay, let's get me home.
Home, chicken soup, and bed.
That is the perfect plan.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Do you need a prescription to buy cold medicine in the US? Yes or no? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoy these videos and would like to support the channel, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.